Hi, writers. Even though we now know why writers write, like on our chart behind me, it can still be tricky sometimes to come up with ideas of what to write. Writers have a few different strategies they use to come up with their ideas. I will be sharing those with you today and in the next couple of days. Today, we're going to focus on just one of the ways you can come up with ideas for what to write about. You can write about what you know. All of us are an expert on or knows a lot about something. Maybe you're an expert on soccer, or maybe you're an expert on peacocks, or another animal like koalas. Just like this author, Laura Marsh. She is just like many of you. She knows a lot about animals, and she writes books about them. About ponies, about cheetahs, about lions. She's the kind of person who knows so much about animals, and she's the kind of writer who writes what she knows. What do writers write about? Write about what you know. This boy is thinking about what he knows. He knows about sharks and baseball and dogs. Those are all things that he could write about. I bet he knows even more too. Writers, all of us are already experts on something. Pause the video to think for a moment about what you are an expert on. I know that you've thought of something. When I count to 3, I'd like you to whisper what you know about. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wow, you all know so many things. Okay, writers, as you head off, remember that writers write about what they know. Just like this boy here. As a writer, you'll be writing about something that you know today. Be sure to take a video of you reading your writing today and upload it to Seesaw so I can start learning from all of you.